Good evening. Elizabeth and I are out watching for trains tonight. We did a couple of videos of Elizabeth Burnt This and That for her YouTube channel. And now we're sitting here waiting on a train. I'm listening to the train radio. I've got my flashlight with me. It's a small everyday carry flashlight, the Emerald GR35. Did a video review on it the other day. And that was a short train. What do you think, Elizabeth?
I thought it was extremely short.
We've been cheated.
We have been cheated. We have been cheated. Well, at least we saw one train.
Yep. Who knows? We might get one more.
I'll stick with one.
But that's the flashlight we've got. You're seeing the car headlights there.
Yeah.
And in comparison, here's the flashlight. It's on its highest setting. It's the Emerald GR35. I won't say it's as bright as the car headlights. We've got some pretty bright headlights. But it does a pretty good job lighting up trains. And it's small enough to fit in your pocket. It also has a built-in green laser. It's got a UV light. And it's got a safety strobe that blinks red and blue. So we'll wait a little longer, see if we catch something else tonight. We're at the Grassy Knoll. The Grassy Knoll, just west of Fillmore, Indiana. It is milepost 34 on the CSX East-West Main. And right now you're looking east.